Hello, my name is Wade Acuff and I'm going to show you how to add color to a black and white image in Adobe Fresco. This is a non-destructive method that will allow you to apply multiple color schemes for quick color iterations. Start with a black and white image, add new layer, change blending mode to color, make that layer a clipping mask for your black and white image. Now you can quickly add color to your value painting. I find this to be an easy, non-destructive way to make color choices early on in an illustration, and it also allows for a flexible workflow for changes later on. I hope you find this technique useful, and thanks for watching.